If you ask yourself, how can I earn more money or extra money within a very short period of time? So, in answer of this question, I would like to give you some important suggestion to make money from online or offline. At the very first, I would like to suggest you to do freelancing. As a freelancer from anywhere of the world, you can earn a lot of money. If you know any skill that is sellable online, like graphic design, web design and development, or video editing, 3D, or animation, motion graphics. If you know one of these qualities, these skills, you can earn money from online, and it will be very easier for you as a freelancer to earn money. If you have a skill of writing or digital marketing, you can also do freelancing, and it will be very helpful for you to earn money from home. So if you have one of these skills, you can start right now your freelancing journey. Number two, if you have no skills out of this list, you can start ride sharing or delivery services. This can be a very profitable business for you, especially if you are struggling as a unemployed, or actually if you feel that you have to do something for earning bread or earning money, you can start it right now. You can deliver food, you can deliver grocery or any other types of goods that is needed for people, and people wants to hire someone who can deliver them these goods. You can be that person to deliver that goods to their home. Not only that, if you have a bike or car, you can do ride sharing business. It will also be helpful for you to earn a handsome amount of money. Okay, number three, suppose you have lots of things in your home and you don't use those for daily work or even in a month or in a year, and these are now useless in your home, but these goods can be very beneficial for others. So if you need money right now, you can sell one of those goods, or in fact all the goods that you are not using. So this can be a very good source of money for you right now. On emergency, you can sell your electronics products or household other goods that is not necessary for you right now, and you can sell now, and after cope with the situations, whenever your struggling period will overcome, you will overcome this period, then you can buy those things again. So if you want to free from money related struggle right now, you can sell your goods. Even if you have a piece of land, you can sell that one also to start another business or to invest money on any other business. This can be a very good source of money. Number four, you can start a small business or service as a business. There are lots of scope. People want service, but people may not find proper or appropriate people. And if you are that man, you can sell these services as a business. The services can be car washing, car repairing, or electronical goods repairing, or it can be lawn care, pet sitting, or laundry services. So there are lots of services you can provide people as a business, and the first getting 2 or 3 clients can be very tough, but whenever you will get 3 to 5 clients, when they will give a very satisfactory review and they will tell about your business to others, then your getting clients will be very easier for you, and this service business can be very profitable for you to make money online or offline. Number 5, online tutoring. If you have enough knowledge about a language that people wants to learn, you can be their tutor and teach them language. It can be programming language, can be regular English, Spanish, or Chinese, Arabic, or Bengali, any language. Be a tutor and teach students. Not only that, you can teach people mathematics, science, or any other skills. This can be a very good source of money making, and this tutoring can be a very good and very appropriate for you as a business. Number 6, content creation. Content creation can be a very good skill for you to make money, because there are lots of online platforms that wants content creation. Suppose you have a very good skill of writing, you can do blogging and you can write content or article on any topic. You can write product review and sell those or upload those to the platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and you will generate more and more money, and even this money can exceed your necessity. Number 7 and the last one, I would suggest you to create and sell digital products. Suppose if you have skills and you can create digital products like designs or text contents or courses, or you can create PDF videos as a digital product or courses. So you can sell those to the customers. You will get it. You will get the customers from online like Facebook or YouTube or any other platforms, even from your own websites. So if you can create digital products, that can be a very good source of earning. Not only that, at the end point and the last, I would suggest you to do business. Business can be a very satisfactory source of income, and it can be any business. I have mentioned 7 types of business or services, but out of these 7, you can sell other products, physical products, like you can do manufacturing business or create something or products like mango juice, chocolates, or stationery items, study materials, or electronic products, plastic products, anything, and you can sell this online and offline, and this can be also a very good source of income. So out of 7, if you have any other scopes to create business, you can mention in the comment. I will suggest you something new about that business, and you will be also benefited out there. So if you like this video, or if you have any suggestion, you can comment in the below, and I will speak in the next video about that. So thank you so much.